David and the Forest Messengers. One breezy morning, a feather lands in David's palm. Mom smiles. It's a gift from the forest messengers. What do they say? David whispers. Let's listen, says Mom. The forest speaks in many ways. Leaves rustle, S-H-H-H-S-H-H-H. The leaves are clapping, David grins, welcoming us in. A robin chirps, pip, pip. Mom says, birds share news from tree to tree. The feather tickles David's cheek. Is the robin saying hello? He asks. Maybe, and also, the wind is coming, Mom winks. Whoosh, wind threads the pines. The wind is the messenger's road, says Mom. It carries stories far. They follow a trail of cones and tiny footprints. Forest letters, David decides, written on the ground. Beside a hollow log, a squirrel chitters, tick tick tick. It says, save some acorns for winter, David translates. The stream giggles, glimmer glimmer. Water keeps secrets too, Mom says. Listen with your eyes. They share a quiet snack. Crunch. An apple splits, sweet and bright. Even bites can talk, David laughs. Feather twirls up again, swirl, swirl. It points toward a sunlit clearing. The messengers want us to see something, says David. In the clearing, a nest of tiny beaks peeps, pip pip. Mom whispers, new stories are beginning. On the walk home, the wind softens. David cups the feather. Thank you, messengers. I'll keep listening. That night, the forest hums in David's dreams, leaf, bird, wind, and stream, each with a story, all heard by a careful heart.